Welcome back to Sui Crypto. Today we're going to dive into the Sui memecoin ecosystem, talk about some of the projects that I like and why I think now is a great time to position yourself before major catalysts like the integration of Phantom Wallet and Backpack Wallet take place. Please note, nothing I say is financial advice. This is for education, entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. If we take a look at CoinGecko, you can see that the market has been down the past couple weeks. Bitcoin's at 94,000. As a result, all the altcoins are going to be down as well. Sui is currently at number 18. And then the other thing you have to think about is that the meme coins within the ecosystem, whether it's Sui or Solana or Ethereum, they're going to be down even more. That's why I feel now is a great time to look for really good entries on top Sui meme coin projects. So that's what we're going to look at in this video. We're also going to talk about the growing AI narrative in the Sui ecosystem in regards to meme coins, specifically Sui AI, which is essentially a launch pad for AI agent meme coins. And if we take a look at it, it looks very similar to like Pump Fun or Turbos Fun or Move Pump, some other fair launch sites that we've covered. The other one I want to mention is Agent S, which is the first AI agent on Sui Network. So this is a narrative that I think is definitely worth paying attention to as we head into 2025. So let's run through some of the OGs first, and then we'll go through a couple of the newer ones that I really like. Let's take a look at BLOB. So I've covered BLOB in a couple of past videos. It's one of my favorite Sui ecosystem meme coins. You can see it had a huge run up late November, and then early December it had a nice little run again. Ran all the way up to about 80 million market cap, and it's pulled back quite a bit. So if this is a proven winner on Sui, which has shown it has been in the past, and due to market conditions has pulled back this far, might be a good entry. Let's take our fib retracement tool over here, and then let's just start this from like right there where it started the run up and then to the top. And then if we take a look at, here's the 618, so you can see it's well past that. And so it looks like it might be finding a bottom. If that's true, if that holds, you could be in for a pretty big rip if and when we do see that volume come in due to Phantom Wallet integration and a massive amount of new people having easy access to Sui ecosystem meme coins. BLOB is one example. Let's take a look at FUD. This one launched back in 2023, one of the original meme coins, and you can see this thing has run all the way up to 50 million. Looks very similar to the BLOB chart. Huge pullback all the way down to 12 million right now. So FUD would be one that if you like this project, might not be a bad idea to open a position here. Again, not financial advice. I'm just saying this is what I'm looking at right now, with the narrative being Phantom Wallet's coming, Backpack Wallet's coming, and with the start of 2025, we're going to go back to a bull market or what we saw in early December. Then those might be good entries. Next, let's look at Axel. This is another one of my favorite projects. This thing, again, very similar to BLOB. This thing ran all the way up to about 80 million, pulled back right now at 34 million. It looks like it's settling here. Let's take a look at how many holders it has. So I'm going to copy the contract address, and I'm going to go to Sui Vision, which in my opinion is a top explorer for the Sui blockchain, and we're going to click on Axel. So we have 15,474 holders. This is over 3 months old. Super solid project. Let's take a look at their Twitter profile. Meet Axel, the cutest amphibian on Sui, with over 14,000 followers. They post really good content on a frequent basis. They also do Twitter spaces pretty often, which is great. So they're building a really strong community, and this is definitely a top tier project in my opinion. And so the theme is, if this was one that you like, then this looks like a pretty good entry to me. Next, we're going to look at Lo-Fi. So Lo-Fi ran all the way up to about 225 million, a little bit higher than that market cap. Again, this one has pulled back, not as sharply as some of the others that we looked at, but it has pulled back a little bit. Let's take a look at how many holders they have. Paste the contract into Sui Vision. So this has just over 15,000 holders, and this one is a newer project, just over a month old. But again, if you like Lo-Fi, might not be a bad spot to start thinking about looking for an entry. Let's take a look at their X account. A Yeti frozen in time, awakened by Sui legends, joined the Lo-Fi movement, over almost 21,000 followers, which is pretty impressive for not being that old. Again, this one sort of reminds me of like Brett on base. Kind of came out of nowhere as a newer one that just exploded. So make of that what you will. I'm not saying that's a bad thing or a good thing. They do post content, good content quite often, and they have a pretty strong following as well. So again, might not be a bad spot if you like Lo-Fi to look for an entry. This is one that I really like as well, Tardy. The chart on this still looks really good. It hasn't had a major pullback. Went all the way up to about 43 million market cap, currently sitting at 27 million. Chart actually looks really good. Let's take a look at how many holders they have. So 4,300 holders, and this was created 20 days ago. Take a look at their Twitter profile. This is Tardy. I'm the OG Moonboy, an indestructible microscopic water bear, Sui's toughest token. With 4,500 followers, this looks more organically grown, right, than what we saw with Lo-Fi. This one also posts good content on a regular basis, and they have some pretty funny memes. They're giving away 3 fuddies right now, which are one of the top NFT projects on Sui. And I like this post that they made today. They said, "You're early, sir, right on time for Sui meme wave. When Phantom integrates Sui Network, it's game over. Onboarding gets 100x easier, no new wallets needed, and the Solana meme coin degens will flood in like tidal wave." And I tend to agree with that. That's sort of the thesis behind this video. I do agree with this thesis. Phantom already confirmed that they are integrating Sui, as did Backpack, which is also another major wallet. When this happens, it's going to inevitably bring in a huge influx of meme coin traders, specifically Solana meme coin traders, into Sui. And so with the market kind of being down right now and great projects out there like Tardy, like BLOB, it's a great time to position yourself, in my opinion. So Tardy is one to definitely check out as well. Now we're going to take a look at a few that are under 20 million market cap that I really like. First one we'll take a look at is Sui The Seal, or Sui The Seal. So the chart on this one still looks really good, but it has had a pullback. Looks like it's consolidating here. Sitting at 7 million market cap. It has run all the way up to almost 14 million. This thing has shown strong volume, and let's take a look at the holder count. Let's copy the contract address. Let's go to Sui Vision. So you can see 159,000 holders. I don't know if this was airdrop, most likely, right? That's typically how you can get so many holders quickly. I don't know, I'd have to do more research. It's about a month and a half old. And if we scroll down to holders, it has really good distribution with the top holder only having 2%. So that looks really good. Let's take a look at their X profile. Sui The Seal is icy, cool mascot of the Sui blockchain, frosty vibes, and meme-worthy charm. 3,300 followers. Really good content is one thing that stood out to me right away. They post on a regular basis 51 minutes ago, 22 hours ago, and they seem to be building a strong organic community, which is exactly what I like to see in meme coin projects. I like the organic growth. So Sui The Seal is definitely one to keep an eye on. Let's take a look at another one under 20 million that I really like. This one's actually under 5 million. Swen. Swen is another organic meme coin with a strong community, consistent volume, currently sitting at 2 million market cap. It has run up to 4, but the chart on this looks really good. Let's take a look at their X profile. It's the Super Swen cycle, almost 6,000 followers. Looks like they created a small NFT collection, which is cool, and they post often as well. Good content. Again, this is really community driven project, which is what I personally like. This one has also overcome some adversity. I believe it was early December. They had some issue with a bad actor getting access to a wallet or something. That I think that's what this candle wick right here, but you see how strong they were in recovering, and they really have stayed strong even through this market pullback. So the chart on this looks great. Swen is one you want to keep your eye on for sure, and sitting at 2 million market cap, this thing has massive potential in my opinion. Next one we're going to take a look at is Uni. So the chart on this actually looks really good as well. Pulled back, this looks similar to what we saw with BLOB and FUD. This thing ran up to almost a 40 million market cap, currently sitting at 12. This is another one with a strong community behind it. Let's see how many holders they have. So approaching 14,000 holders, and it's been around for 2.5 months. Named after Sui founder at Evan Web3's dog. Joined the Uni pack. Almost 9,000 followers. Dog meme coins seem to do well on every chain, and so having one of the first dog meme coins with a strong community on Sui makes it interesting to me. But again, due to the market pullback in general, might not be a bad spot to looking for an entry on Uni if this is a project that you like. There are a lot more like this that are under 20, under 10 million market cap that I think are in position to rip when volume comes back in and the market turns. The last one we'll look at is one of my favorites, Acat. This is currently sitting under 10 million market cap. This thing has run all the way up to about 35 million. The chart on it still looks good overall. It's still on an uptrend. This has a very strong organic community. Let's take a look at the holder count. So almost 15,000 holders, 3.5 months old. I've covered Acat in just about every video I've done on Sui meme coins. And so we're going to buy a little bit more in this video just because I feel like this is a great entry point right here. You can see it's sort of consolidating guessing. Could be wrong, and if it does go down a little bit more, then I'll just continue to average down, because this is one I personally do have conviction in. So I'm going to add a little bit more here, and if you're new to Sui, this might be helpful. I'm going to copy the contract address. The next thing we need to do is find a DEX or DEX aggregator. Turbos Finance is one of the original DEXs on Sui. It's a great option for making swaps. CDIS is another DEX, another great option if you want to trade Sui meme coins. Hop aggregator is one of the first aggregators. It's going to go out to all the DEXs on Sui and try to get you the best route. Same thing with Aftermath Finance. It's an aggregator. It's going to go out and find you the best route for your meme coin swap. Those are all great options. In this example, we're going to use 7K aggregator just because they currently have a drops point system going on, which I've been taking advantage of. So we're going to use this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect my wallet. And in this case, we're using a Sui wallet. So I'll go ahead and connect my Sui wallet. Connect. And if you click up here, you can see that I do have some ACAT already in here. So we're going to add some more to it right now in this example. I have some Sui as well. So we'll swap some Sui for it. So the top we have Sui. Down here we're going to click on this and we're going to paste the contract address in. And there's ACAT. And I have 16 Sui to play with. We'll just say 6. And then I'm going to go ahead and say swap. And I'm going to approve it. And it goes through that fast. Sui is extremely fast. I think it's a little bit faster than Solana and cheap as well in terms of gas fees. So we now have that much ACAT. You can also take a look at it here. You can see that number has increased and my drops have gone up. I do have a video on 7K aggregator if you want to check that out and learn more about the drops leaderboard program. Another site that I've touched on in other videos I highly recommend you checking out is IncyDex if you're interested in trading Sui meme coins. This continues to get better and better every day. Every week they're adding new features to this. If we go to top gainers, you can see all the Sui ecosystem meme coins. If you go to latest created, this is going to pull in literally all the newest meme coins that are being launched on the fair launch sites or DEXs. So Turbos Fund, Hop Funds, another fair launch meme coin site, Move Pump, CDIS, and Turbos. It's going to pull that data in to show you what the newest meme coins in the ecosystem are. Super cool. And then, for example, if you click on these, and you can trade right on here. I have a video on there, one-click trading, so I'll put the link to that in the video description below. But yeah, if you go back to coins, take a look at the featured coins, and then this is a great spot. If you go to trending, you can see what is currently hot in the ecosystem. IncyDex is a site you definitely want to check out and take advantage of. They also have security checks, safety checks, just to make sure that you're not in like a honeypot and you get a lot more insight into each meme coin before you decide to make a swap for it. So if you are just getting into Sui meme coins right now, I think is a really good time. Again, with the market pulling back, with upcoming catalysts of Phantom Wallet, Backpack Wallet integrating into Sui, that should bring a huge influx of trading volume into the Sui ecosystem. And so now would be a great time to find projects that you like and see if you can get a good entry. And then also pay attention to the AI narrative that continues to build, specifically with the Sui AI Launchpad, and then Agent S seems to be pretty interesting as well. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.